Hi everyone, my name is Shekar Sailla, studying Bachelor of Engineering in Major Civil, and welcome to the Engineering and Innovation place. Yeah, the place is still on construction. We had some access to our civil engineering labs and some equipment. So let's have a look. We're going into our structural labs, and here we are at a reaction wall, which we do destructive tests, which help us to do structural integrity and connections. It's like 1 meter thick. So these are the 1 meter thickness flow, which help us to do test on the structures what we are doing. We feel proud to have in our regional area. Yeah, and this is a flume. This is used to test like a model of our tides and coastal areas, and we use this in our coastal and hydraulic subject. And this is geomechanics lab, which we do test on soils, and it's still under construction and nothing has been set up. But once you set up, we have like shear stress, we have traxel test and some other ACE tests. Thanks for coming with me, and this is our civil engineering labs.